good, y'all? What's happening? It's Flyer Kicks, and welcome back to the channel. I got a pretty short video for y'all this time. It's a quick unboxing of something that I accidentally bought again, but this time it was from StockX. But before we get into the shoes, it's gonna be really quick. I gotta shout out my subs, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers that have joined since the last video. You guys went ahead and pushed me over 100 subs, and that's really big for me, and I appreciate it. Shout out to all my OG subscribers that have been there from the jump. You know you guys are a part of that 100. And to my new subscribers that are watching this video right now but haven't hit that button yet, go ahead and do it. The support is much appreciated. Now getting straight to the shoes. Like I said, I ordered these from StockX. I call it an accident because I left the bid up there. You know, you have to manage your bids. You have to be real mindful on there because someone will accept your bid and then there's nothing you can do about it. The shoes are now yours. You can't really cancel the order. But luckily this is a shoe that I actually wanted. I placed the bid a while back for a really low price, way below the asking price that they had on there. Someone must have been needing the bread. They finally accepted it, and I got them. So as you can tell by the box, it's a pair of Jordan 3s. Black top, red Jumpman. You know, it's the regular Jordan box with the elephant print. The tag says Air Jordan 3 Retro SE Q54. And the color is black, and electric green. Now some of y'all may know what these are by the name on that tag. So let me just get to it. Got the card from StockX, verified, you know, got the receipt. And now the shoes. Whew. The colors on these are popping, man. I have the Air Jordan 3 Retro Quai54 from the basketball tournament that takes place out in Paris every year. Now, they do a retro Jordan every year with the package for the tournament, along with like maybe some Team J's, maybe another like Jordan 1 mid or something. And they would do like whatever basketball shoe was hot the year. So this year's probably it's the 34. So I'm pretty sure the guys are gonna be playing the Jordan 34 once that tournament comes around. But this year they went ahead and did the Quai54 on the Jordan 3. So this is one of my favorite models. The 3s and the 4s, and 1's of course like my favorite model. So I had to grab these. The colors look really good to me. They really pop. I'm not sure if you guys can just really relate to me, but I don't know. I like colors on shoes, man. I like how the color just adds a whole different aspect to a classic silhouette. This is usually like plain colors, white, black, red. It's a Jordan 3. So these pink, green, and blue hits really like pop to me, man. I like these. They have like this black, like maybe small hair nubuck or suede, but it kind of has like a leather feel to it, but it gives it that ashy, like black look. And it's suede around the toe box and around the heel, man. I really think these are dope. As always, you guys know I'm gonna do the up close and personal, so don't worry about these angles right now. I'm gonna get up close with them. Now, as I said before, I kind of got these on accident. Retail on these was about 200 bucks. My bid was accepted for, I literally made it to where the total would be 180. So I believe my bid was 167, and they added 13 for shipping. So I paid 180 for these flat on StockX. Got legit check, verified, made sure they were good, and they shipped from overseas. It was a pretty quick turnaround compared to other purchases that I had from StockX, considering that this came from overseas. They once that came in about 9 days, so it's not really too bad. Not really too bad at all. But without further ado, man, let's just get up close and personal with these. You guys can see the colors, see the materials, and really give me your honest opinion and let me know what you guys think, man. Let's get straight to it. All right, now here we have the Jordan 3 Quai54, regular Jumpman box. Black, electric green, 11.5. Got the card from StockX. Got the receipt. So the shoes, man. Here we go. StockX tag. No, it's verified. I like this clear Jumpman hang tag too, but I think this is the same one that came on like the Jordan 3 The whiteouts with the baby blue bottom. I think it's the same one that came on there. This is actually 3M. Let me see if I can get this to shine a bit in a second. Got the ashy like suede, but it has like some slight brush action. Black laces. The whole bottom glows in the dark. Same thing on this shoe. These colors really just pop, man. Had a whole different vibe to a Jordan 3. Now I'm gonna grab my iPad and see if I can get this to show the 3M on it. You can kind of see the shine on this part right here. And on the heel tab, you see the shine from the black 3M. Overall, just a real clean shoe, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know. Now that pretty much wraps it up for this video. We got the Jordan 3 Retro Quai54 from the Paris basketball tournament. Leave a comment down below, man. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know if you like these colors. Let me know if you like the features of the glow and the 3M. Just let me know your honest opinion, man. Till next time on the next video. Peace.